To get started with the Temu Scraper extension, first, enter your search. I will search for men's coats. Apply the filters you want. For example, I will only choose black coats. And I will sort it by the top sales. Next, press on the extension. Here you will find many different functions that the extension can do. For example, I will press Extract Listings. As you can see, we got 152 items found. Scroll down to extract more data. As you can see, the number increased. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. Here you can export in many different ways. For example, I will export as HTML. As you can see, here is all the data we collected. Let's try one more function. For example, I will choose this coat. Then I will press on the extension. Let's try Extract Product Details. And then Add to Export List. Now let's export it. As you can see, here is all the details about the product you chose.